Welcome everybody. Today I'm going to make you understand the topic which is chapter number 9, playing with numbers. The topic is playing with numbers, but in this chapter you are going to come across many brackets. So let us introduce with the brackets. So there are four kinds of brackets. One bracket name is bar, and its another name is also Winclum. And bar bracket sign is like a dash. You can see, but not like minus, like a dash. Next is small bracket or parenthesis, and it is like this small bracket. Okay, like a curve. And in curly bracket, it's like a curl, but in square bracket, it's like a square. Okay, so this is four type of brackets. Now, suppose in one question these four brackets are given together. What you will do then? What you will do? Now, what you will solve first? You will be confused that time. So, order of simplification is first of all, as the sequence is given like this, similarly you are going to solve the questions. Means, first of all, you will solve the bar bracket, then small bracket, then curly bracket, and then square brackets. And if it is given like that you have to plus also, minus also, and divide also. So what you will do? Will you first of all plus, divide, or minus? There is a rule. Let me tell you, there's a rule known as DMAS rule. DMAS means D means divide. M means multiply. A means plus. S means minus, means subtraction. Okay, and if it will come that these brackets are also given and these operations are also given, operation I mean to say these plus minus, so what you will do? You will always prefer to solve the brackets, then only you will go to solve the plus minus divide, these all things. Okay, now I'm going to give you an example of a question, which is, suppose your question is 24 minus first of all let me write and I will speak it. So 24 minus small bracket 6 plus 8 small bracket minus 3. How can we solve it? Let me read the question again. 24 minus small bracket open 6 plus 8 small bracket close minus 3. So we are going to solve what? Small. Why? Because the bar bracket is not mentioned, only small bracket is there. So 6 plus 8 14, and 2 here we are going to write same, and 3. So when you will minus these all, you will 24 minus 14 is 10, minus 3 7. The answer is 7. Now I'm going to give you questions for solving, but in three categories, which is easy, medium, and hard. Three questions I'm going to give you within three categories: easy, medium, hard. Let us start the class with easy. Question is 19 minus 1, small bracket open, 1 plus 5, small bracket close, minus 3. Now up to minus we're going to write same, 5 plus 1 6, close. Now we are going to release the bracket. Now you can see we have to with 19 we have to minus 6 also, 3 also, right? So if you will go 19, will write as it is, at as sign will be this only. Now if you will go to minus this and this, it will take a lot of time. Better it is that you plus 6 plus 3, 9, right? 9. Now 6 plus 3 is 9. Now you can minus this at once only. So 19 minus 9. Answer will come 10. 10. And 10 is the answer. This was a easy category question. Now I am going to give you medium question. In this question, what I have done, I have not given you any bracket. Question is 48 plus 96 divided by 24 minus 6 plus 18. What is the rule which we will use? DMAS means first divide, multiply, plus, minus. Okay, first of all divide question, which is up to 48, because 48 is plus na. 96 divided by 24, 96 divided by 24, when you will divide, you will get the answer 4. Why? Because 24 4 is 96. We will write same, minus 6 plus 18. Sorry. Okay, minus 6 plus 18. Now, what is left? Multiplication na? So, multiplication is 6 by 18. I have put the first sign plus, I'm sorry for that. So, minus 6, 18 6 are 108. You need to learn the tables. Then only you can solve the questions. 48 plus 4 is 52 minus 108. 108 minus 52, answer will come 56. Now see the one important thing. Whenever you will divide a large quantity with a small quantity, you are going to put minus in front. Okay? This is the. Now I'm going to give you hard category question. Question also I have written and the answer also I have already solved. Now I'm going to make you understand this one. So 34 minus square bracket 29 minus curly bracket 30 plus 66 divided by small bracket 24 minus 28 minus 26 bar bracket small bracket close, curly bracket close, square bracket close. What you can see here, that there are 4 brackets given, bar bracket is also given. So up to minus we are going to write same. Okay, we are going to write same, and then what you can see that 28 minus 26 is 2. Bar bracket as it is, we are going to release the bracket up to minus, we are going to write the same, and after that we will release the bracket bar bracket. After that there are small bracket, we will write same to divide 24 minus 2 22, release the bracket, and then what you can see, curly bracket. Curly bracket extend from the 30 plus 66 divided by 22 to here. Now divide in this two situation is given, divide plus, right? So first of all you are going to divide. Why? Because of the DMAS rule, in which it is given divide, multiply, add, subtract. Divide, so 66 divided by 22, 3, and then 30 plus 3 33, and then what you are going to do is, as I told you, release the bracket. We are dividing big quantity with small, we will put minus, and 33 minus 29 4, and minus minus is plus, and answer is 38. So your hard question is also solved. Listen one thing, that whenever you are going to solve any bracket, from where it will start extending up to that you will write same. Like see here, from 24 it has been start, है. So here no need of changes there, no need of change, write as it is. Okay, so this was a chapter understanding playing with numbers, and if you have any doubt related to this topic, if any question, then you can ask me in the comment section. And I have made many videos like proportion, respiratory system in humans, saturated solution, etc., etc., that you can see while by subscribing my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my videos. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you.